Y'all, this is my cat.
The only one
First time I'm introducing her.
is your cat.
Her name is Peach.
Your cat. Your cat.
And don't be mad because I got my drawers on.
Look at him.
Oh yeah, go check out my main Jordan Goo.
Jordan Booty Boo.
Nah, but his real name.
Like a doo-doo.
His
I'm trying to scratch me.
His YouTuber name is Frank Goo. I don't know why. Hey.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Your feet wet.
This cat right here is sweet.
Oh snap! Or the ceiling color.
Hey, I miss you.
And I know new rap here. Every day I see you sitting in the ear. Every day I look at your fat stomach. Every day I wake up, listen Sally. And then that's your fatty.
My best friend.
Can't even rap.
And I rap right now. Look at your hairline. It's too fat and it's too wrapped. Look at this cat. It's probably on a snap.
It's probably on the
Snap. And just that. Boy, I smack her. She'll be like, ah! So you caught a laugh, eh?
I'm trying to get a good picture.
Hey, record her. Record her. Hold head up.
And that one right there, that's the crybaby.
Hey, this not the crybaby.
Oh, that's the crybaby.
This the crybaby. This not the
Oh,
crybaby.
goat.
What you talking about? See,
AFKK.
she is not the crybaby. Look, she.
Oh yeah, I want to shout out my boy Jeremiah, Jordan, and especially. Hold on, no. I want to shout out Jeremiah, Jordan, Leander, Mr. Williams, Clanaya, and Tamaya in my class, and Alba, and especially Tavon because he left the school to go to Boyle Rock School. I thought he was going to Blackwell. Yo, Malachi.
He did go to Blackwell. I saw him.
Why you sitting there lying? You never saw him. He never went to Blackwell.
Huh?
Yeah, guys. Just got finished eating some chicken.
Oh, wait. Look at her butt.
But why you doing that to her? She like crawling around. Hey, don't need to go back there. Guys, so we gotta end this video. Let's get it.